Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program organized by Modern English School. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. Today, we are going to discuss test paper 4, and this is our lecture number 10. And now we are going to discuss some problems of test paper 4. See, question number 1 of test paper 4. Question number 1 is evaluate we have to evaluate the value of this 1 over 2 by 5 whole cube. First of all, change this mixed fraction into proper fraction. 5 ones are 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7 by 5 whole cube. This equals 7 by 5 into 7 by 5 into 7 by 5. Now 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are 343 divided by 125. This is the answer. Okay? In this way you will find the cube. Now the next question is you have to find cube root of 4096. First, we have to find the cube root of 4096. First, find the prime factor of it. Here we are going to find prime factor. First, divide it by 2. 2, 0, 4, 8. 2, 1, 0, 2, 4. 2, 512. 2, 256. 2, 120. 8, 2, 64. 2, 32. 2, 16. 2, 8, 2, 4, and here, so I erase this 232, so 232 will be 16, and from 16 we know 2, 4, 2, 8, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2, okay, so I can write cube root of 4096 as a factor of how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 2's are multiplied. 2 into 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 2. Okay? Count 6 plus 6, 12 2's are multiplied. Now you have to make the triplet. This is first triplet, second triplet, fourth triplet, the first, second, third triplet, and fourth triplet. And out of this triplet, out of first triplet, 1 2 will come out. Out of this, 1 2 will come out. Out of third triplet, 1 will come out. Out of these 3 2, 1 2 will come out. Now all these 2 will be multiplied together. Now what is the answer? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are 16. 16 will be the answer. Okay? So now let's solve another question. I think third you can solve. I am solving 4. So cube root of negative 64 over 125. Now see this question number 4. How will you solve it? You know cube root of a rational number is cube root of negative 64 divided by cube root of 125. And now we know that cube root of a negative perfect cube number is negative. Always negative, so this will be equal to negative 64 over negative cube root of 64 over cube root of 125. This will be equal to negative cube root of 64. We know that 4 into 4 into 4. I can write, and this we can write 5 into 5 into 5. So this will be negative 4. This will be equal to finally negative 4 over 5. This is the answer. Okay. Now let's discuss another problem. So question number 5 is similar to question number 1. Question number 6. Which of the following is a perfect cube? So you can find the prime factor and also solve it. Question number 7. See, question number 7 is 216 cube root of 216 into 64 equals what? Now this will be equal to cube root of what will be the prime factor of 216? Find out 2108. 2 times 54, 2 times 27, 3 times 9, and 3 times 3. So you can solve it. Write 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3. And 64, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now form the triplets 1, first, second, third, fourth. So from this 2 will come out, from this 3 will come out, 2, and from this 1, 2 will come out. Everything will be multiplied. 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24. 24 is the answer. Or you can solve it, or you can do it like this. Cube root of 216 into 64 will be equal to cube root of 216 into cube root of 64. And we can write this cube root of 216 is 6 into 6 into 6 into cube root of 4 is, I can write 4 into 4 into 4. So from this triplet 1 6 will come out, and from this 1 4 will come out. So 6 4 is 24 is the answer. Okay. So now let's discuss another problem. Question number 9. By what list number should 324 be multiplied to get a perfect cube? Okay. By what list number should 324 be multiplied to get a perfect cube? First of all, you will find the cube prime factors of 324. 2 162, 2 81, 3 27, 3 9, 3 3. So therefore The prime factor of 324 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So there is, we can see one triplet is there and 2 is not forming triplet. So by what list number should be multiplied so that 324 be multiplied so that it will become a, the question is by what list number 324 be multiplied so that it will become a perfect cube. PC means perfect cube. So here how many 2's should be, how many 2's should be multiplied so that it will form a triplet? Here 1 2 is missing. Okay, here 1 2 is missing, so I should multiply it. Okay, I should multiply it with this number should be multiplied with how many 2's? 1 2 is missing, so we have to multiply this with, okay, oh, okay, leave it. How many 2's are missing? There is 2 2's are multiplied and 1 2 we have to multiply. So 1 2 we have to multiply and only 1 3 is there. So we have to multiply 2 3's, 3 into 3. So what we have multiplied? So to make it a perfect cube, we have to multiply 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, I am multiplying this 2 and we have to make this triplet. So this triplet we have to multiply. There is only 1 3. To make this triplet we have to multiply 2 3. Okay, 2 3 we have multiplied. And this 3 into 3 is already present. So what we have multiplied? 2 3 are 6, 3 are 18. So 18 should be multiplied with the list number which should be multiplied with 324 is 18. Then after multiplication with 324, then only it will become a perfect cube. So the required list number is, the required list number, you can write this language, the required list number to be multiplied multiplied with 324 to make it a perfect cube. To make it a perfect cube, the required list number to be multiplied to make it a perfect cube is 18. Okay. So, students, so today's homework will be test paper 1, question number, test paper 4, HW will be, today's HW will be test paper 4, question number 1 to 12. You have to complete this test paper. Okay, this will be your homework. Okay, students, thank you. Thanks for watching the video.